Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Dyson V15 not charging. If your Dyson V15 not charging, then here you will see people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. Here you will see when people says that hopefully it's just a defective battery. The blue LED on the battery should light up when it is charging, whether connected to the machine or not. So this is the first thing you need to consider. Is your V15 have defective battery? You will need to check this. If your V15 have defective battery, then replace the battery with the new one. Here you will see another people says that, hey, no worry at the all. I ended up contacting them last year when I stopped working and then they sent me a new one. The process was super easy and then the new battery is still working super well to this day. So this is the first thing you need to consider is to replace the battery with the new one. And the second thing you need to consider is to check the charging adapters and the charging cable is working properly or not. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.